Come here.
Why don't you bring it inside so we can play with it? Come on, we're gonna go inside. Brum, brum. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, we're gonna go inside now. Don't you want to drive that inside? No one's going to take it away from you.
I do.
Come on. Do you want to go inside? Let's go.
No.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I think it's okay. I don't want it. I actually got that for you. Yeah. Yeah, that was my present to you for being an awesome big brother. Yeah. Come on. Inside. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, you still have your toy. You still have it. Yeah, that's going to stay with you. Come on. Let's go. Whoa. Maybe you should go in the house. You're half in. You almost made it. Half in, half out. I almost made it. Couple more inches.
Come on, Dad.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. It's going up here where you should be. Go get it. Wow. Should we open that up? Let's open it up. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, we're trying to get it off of here. So you can play with it. Whoa! Wow, so this is cool. You ready? Here we go. Whoa!